Perch Road, you paint. So what you think I go happen? He not go there which part, he not go there on Perch Road, part you paint the picture. Then, or you feel hide the picnic on Perch Road, or bury him on Perch Road, and you talk about Perch Road. You know, say no go so.
Fabricated stories.
We don't say that. I something we plan. I something we plan, people, and we all know say I something we plan. I something we plan. I something we plan. Plan something. I plan something we plan. When Ann coming back, they say after 7 o'clock I go to 8 o'clock, and he come from a man different. And he go, you know what woman saying though? It look like oh no hear what woman say. Nobody not tell no lie, you know. I wait and talk. I run the woman run, go flicker and light. I'll go looking at Jayden room. He never sit down on the veranda and blow and say, Father God, me thank you for carrying me back home in my yard. He never tell his husband, say, more one cup of water, man, cause a long time. Yeah, he never had nothing to do with that. I run him, I broke his neck, I grow in a Jayden room. Why make you do that, and why you do that?
She heard what happened when she come from the... She heard what happened.
Oh, you mean that the woman don't know? She know what happened.
What happened?
So if Jayden did go to school that the Friday when I run a grown at the yard there now. If Jayden did go to school the Friday, I not have to run. I know that walk going to the house and sit down on the veranda and a cool out going and living and dining. And then he asks anybody say, I will spot Jayden. Tell Jayden say me I call him. Because he not expect that to happen. And no say Jayden not go to school. Because if Jayden did go to school, and would have to say to him, son, me there hospital from morning, and Jayden school over 3 o'clock. No, Jayden school over 2:30. And when 3:30, Jayden no come home. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and you don't take up no phone and call me and tell me say Jayden no come home, boy. Why make you never call me and tell me say Jayden no come home? And no hold no argument with his son. He no hold no argument with his son. So you feel know what me I said to you. I feel him son. And he come from and she come from hospital. So if Jayden did go to school, Jayden fi call you auntie. And you come in, consider and ask for Jayden. And them grow on there and not see Jayden. You go ask your son, so then look here, look how long Jayden school over and look on the time now. After 7 o'clock. Why would you never tell me for today? Why would you never call me 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock and tell me say Jayden don't come? He don't hold no argument with them. And did what go ask his neighbor and say, Sharon, Jayden do over your yard? He over your yard? No neighbor, he no ask. And did take up his phone and call Anjane and say, Anjane, me no see your son. Me no see your son come on. One little argument did there last night, you know. And I don't know if when he got school, he no bother want come home a yard. So, me no know if I up there, tell me if I up there and make me and my husband drive come to him. Or you don't call Anjane. Yeah, your husband jump in at the vehicle and drive go up there now. And when time you ask Anjane, you look inside of the house and look around the yard if Jayden did it. He did do that?
It could be a possibility that Jayden's body was on the bed when she come home and he run. They go, Lord Jesus Christ, what me I going to do now? What me I going to do now? Lord Jesus, Jayden.
Can't make people fall in a miss. You can't make people. Remember say God give your brain for use. You get 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 your brain for use on earth that you're born with. Because I know everything you go see. You can't live at Jamaica and you see 14 parish one time. No dreaming in no buckle. You can't be at Jamaica and you look America. If you're there at Jamaica and you look America, a situation you look out or you think, you understand? Yes. You have to use that God-given brain that you have.
She could have did they cry, Jayden, sorry, Jayden. Oh, God,
and do Jayden something. And do Jayden something in that house. And do Jayden something. And do Jayden something. Because Ann lie. I mean, me show you how Ann lie. Ann said in one interview, she in her room, do she do, and hear the baby sing out. First, when he said he hear the baby sing out, he think I laugh, the baby a laugh. But when she hear him more, He run go around there. When he run go around there, he said, Jayden, what happened to the baby? Jayden said the baby fell on him foot. In a different interview, different one me I tell you now. And say when him hear bloop, dropping here baby drop now, you know. When he hear bloop and he run go around there, you hear when he say, Jayden, me tell you say, you cannot ramp with a 2-year-old like how you ramp with a 12-year-old. But if we how him ball out Jayden, it simply mean to say it's like say she a want Jayden all the while to be careful of the little boy. Right, Mr. T come round same time and said to him wife say, and Mr. T said that. But Jayden depend on his phone. How you depend on your phone? You depend on your phone with your mind, with your eye and your finger. Can you pay attention to that? Mr. T said, there is no need for this. Let's take the baby to a doctor. Different story.
It could be an adult hit the baby right in the baby hip and say, me not tell you see.
And son said, no. Mommy couldn't say that. And son attack what caused the incident between Jayden and the little boy. Because somebody tell him what his mother said happened. He said no. He said no, so we go. Him attack how we go. So also much the baby jump one time. So all the mother have different way how the baby jump. How his son have different way how the baby jump. And at one time the baby jump.
Could have one lick the bikini get in her hip. Say me not tell you if you stop the jumping. Yeah. Cause remember them have to take off the baby diaper to see where
Jayden no big, you know. Jayden no big cause Jayden no get no care. Jayden no big.
I know.
Jayden do not big. You hear them a go on like how they love Jayden? Me say if me find one tape and play. You see how them a go on like say they love Jayden and them a cushion Jayden. You hear them a go on like say they love Jayden. I go and find one tape.
Indeed deprived from food. I heard that he was deprived of food. You know? Food is the staff of life. My God. And look how Jayden learn. Man. Look how Jayden learn. Look how Jayden become so excellent. And he was deprived of food. Huh? My God.
Liar them. I liar them. I me know that. Me not talk off for Andem. Me find Andem guilty long time. And no see at them. No evidence now pipe pan nobody in Jamaica. No evidence. No evidence now pipe pan look at Tivoli bad. No evidence now pipe pan Tivoli. Rima Night Jungle. Montego Bay Flanker. Irwin Tucker. No evidence now pipe pan St. Elizabeth and Clarendon. No evidence. No evidence now find pan no booger man and no evidence can find pan say no faggot take with Jayden and go rape him off. No evidence now find pan no soldier no police kidnapping. The evidence that find in the yard say Jayden family unalive him. And that the evidence them see around things. You must know.
Yeah,
you must know what you do because it is not an easy things for somebody in a one yard and the evidence upon you. You must know what you do to get the evidence upon you and it can't come off. You must know what you do. Me don't know what you do. You must know what you do, make the evidence upon you. And when time we take off the evidence, it's still upon back upon you. You must know what you do. You must know that. Me don't know that. You must know.
At first when it happened, so much people came out with all kind of different stories. You know, one story that they had Jayden locked up in Mandeville. Some faggot lock him up, have him in a house down there, and all kind of stories.
These are some big mature people.
These are some big mature
people. These are big mature people. Mr. T see several people them raise. You don't hear one people come out and tell them thanks. Mr. Tia see several people them raise. And that they are there. You don't hear one man, one woman come out and tell them thanks. You can't hide and do something, you know. You can't hide and do something. Because a long time people are hiding and do something.
My bed now.
A long time people are hiding and do something. But when somebody question you, do you know that if you hear somebody say something about you and you ask the person, you can know if the person guilty or not. You can know if the person say the thing for you for true. Boy, you for true. You have by when you ask the person, if you hear somebody call up your name about something, anything at all, and it happen that you hear and you go ask the person. Number one, don't disrespect the person when you go ask him. Just ask the person nice and easy. No call him no name, no cuss nobody nothing. Just ask the person. Me hear so you say something about me. At you, right there so you are gonna know if the person says so or not. Anyhow him buck, if him a get ignorant, if him a talk and draw, you are gonna know if the person don't see so. What you think the person are gonna say? The person are gonna say, no man, me not say nothing about you. Come with me and you go prove it. Come with me and you go prove the person want to know who call up in name because he want prove. So we have a sense because lie can't prove. So him a go prove to you, say a lie them a tell upon him. And that him a go do.
Conscience speak louder than word.
You know, I tell you, miss, we have your sense, you know, miss. We have your knowledge, you know, this, you know, man. Because we don't eat that, we're not chicken, you know, miss. We're not chicken, we have your knowledge. Because as me say, I know, everywhere you go there with things. So my time, you go hear. So my time, you now go see where you are going to do. Brain you are going to use.
Yeah.
Brain. And that police need to do for solve crime. Brain, because police live a station from yard to station, so you use brain. The policeman can't tell you say you do a crime, you know. The policeman can't come to you, you know, and tell you say, are you do a crime, you know. Prove it say I know you, because the policeman's job is to tell you say are you. Prove it to the police say I know you, and you can't prove it anyhow. Cause him a no idiot. The policeman know what type of proof you have to give for him believe say I know you. Although the policeman a tell lie upon you, the policeman say, look here, are you do it? You have to prove it to the policeman, say, I know you. I have to prove it good. Remember that.
Sometimes
then a sense him a use, you know, say a sense him a use upon you. Him a use intelligence upon you. You understand? Him a use intelligence because a good police that he put you on his spot, say, yes, I you do it, and him a talk to you on the section 1 and the section this and the section and him a find class. So you know all he have to do, don't lick you. Turn up in front of you and I talk to you. Anyhow I know you do it, you have to prove it. And by you do that, since reach the police and the policeman automatically knows say when him a put you through, him knows say I really know you do it for true. And anyhow you do it, remember, when you try to straighten out those things, you cannot straighten it out. And that's how come some man start to confess.
Yeah.
Remember that. Because the police duty is to tell you, say you do it. And for him duty that.
Him put him on his spot, you know?
Yes. Let me hear what Cool I say. Cool, you in the box. What you say? You listen? Cool, speak now. You in the box. You be in already. Cool.
The case already, Moto.
Then how you mean? You know we have two picnic and leave them a yard, leave their lunch money with them, like spare money that because them porridge today and them have snacks and them have juice and you left gonna work and when you come back, wanna complain. Mommy, and you have to use your intelligence and you find out just to my tell me same one we complain, and did they complain and he want you to beat the other one and the other one say, hold on. You remember say you do this and you do that and you hold him and say, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Woman, use your brain. And your brain you have to use. And you will know truth. And you will know lie. And your brain. So we they afraid of. They afraid of people like me. They afraid of people like me.
Jayden,
Afraid of people
has
like
been
me.
neglected. In case has been neglected.
Of course the little boy case neglect bad, real bad. Real bad.
So it
A case like this.
It takes like
A case like this.
people in a higher
All the
place
inspector
now
did for
come
do.
forward.
All the inspector did for do. Or the parish, or the detective. I just get all of the clippings where all of the interview where the people them do. Compile them. And about 3 of them sit down and listen to it. Police have ample time. Police, a government work you might do. The country work. You have ample time to get up, grow on a back, go sit down up and listen to all of these things. And when you not listen to it, you're going to hear some of them bust out a laugh. And I say, no man, nothing can go say, Spec, come here, you Spec. Come here, Spec, come here. You. What a woman lie. I solve the case because them are listening what you say. Spec, come here. Play back that. Hold on. What you think them a do? What you think them a do? Where you find them a find every ounce of lie where you tell and then see how you splice it and then see how you wipe up with map and then see how you use water and see how you use bleach. Me no mean literally like I say how you clean and how you deal with the argument and intelligence do things.
You'll be surprised, Mato. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised that who watches you and other platforms.
So when they come for you,